Hindi nga, apat o tatlo lang.
Eh, Eliana, instead of blonde.
Ayaw naman niya magsalita. Hindi.
Oh. You can double press it so it will...
Hi guys!
Yeah, double press it. Double press. Try to click it twice. In the middle. In the middle, yun. Click it twice. Whoop! And then you press this one, this tiny thing. Zoop! See that?
Ako ba? 200 plus lang. 200
Hi guys, we're in Tito Renz.
Tawas lang table. Yung table. Paano yung tawas lang pera? Basta halo-halo. Sayang hindi natin sila tatlong ano? Tatlong kita ba nila? Sagot ko. Sa dalawa. Tatlo ba? Hala! Hindi ako natakot na siya.
Gimbal bridges is limit. So,
Sabi ni Tanton eh. 10 sila eh.
oh, 10 kami.
Ayan pa, boy, yan. Yan.
Binilang ko si Eliana as one, no? Binilang ko rin yan.
Hi! Thank you for featuring me
Bago
on
tayo
your
umalis, kaya
vlog.
nagbibilang ko bago
Do you have
tayo.
any questions for me?
Yes? What is your favorite face?
My favorite face is this.
A silly face?
Silly face. Astweta naman.
And
You look at the camera, so you can...
what's your favorite thing to do?
My favorite thing to do is to eat. Eat
Oh.
halo-halo. What about you?
My favorite is chicken. Fried chicken.
Oh, okay.
Oh, not the mang inasal?
Also the mangisal.
But mang inasal is not a fried chicken.
What is your favorite thing to do?
I love solving puzzles.
And what is your favorite food?
I love talong. What? I thought you're trying to capture me. You talk on the camera. You like say
Hello
hi.
guys. And look at this place. Look around here. Oh yeah, I forgot it. As we go that way, this way it goes. Okay, you see that? Okay. Hey, Kuya Tantan. Okay, here's the place. You see that?
Vlog daw siya.
There's my mommy and daddy. Here's mommy. Here's daddy.
Iliana's vlog.
Yan yung tatay ko, Eduardo. And
Meron kami
ito
naman.
yung nanay ko.
Order ko ito ng ano magkan. Ay, sino ko?
Nanay mo.
Nanay ko, si Gretchen.
Saan mo gusto mag-staycation?
Saan gusto?
Sogo.
Bakit? Bakit?
Teka lang.
Iharap
Kasi,
ni daddy sa'yo. Harap pa sa'yo.
alam ko na paano.
Oh, iharap kasi siya sa'yo. Oh, yan. Oh, kasi gusto mo na sogo dahil
Kasi hotel. So clean, so good, so safe. Ayan. Ayan yung itaas.
try interviewin mo. Sabi mo, bakit gusto niyo maghalo-halo dito? Tanong mo sila. Hindi.
Mami!
Diana! Halika dito.
Mami, may sarili na ako.
Interviewin mo nga sila.
If you want to go into your face, just press the...
Tingnan nyo yung taas. over here. There's everything. You can see this place. There you see.
Hi!
What's your favorite thing to do?
What's my favorite thing to do? Sleep!
And what's your favorite food?
What's my favorite food? Sisi.
What's your favorite food?
What?
What's your favorite food?
Favorite food? Altareta, sinigang at saka bagoong.
What's your favorite thing to do?
Favorite thing to do is going to sleep, wake up, sleep again.
That's kain tulog in Tagalog.
What's your favorite thing to do?
Ano muna, Kaiser muna. Ilagpasan mo siya muna. Doon ka, lapit ka doon. Lapit ka doon. Para malapit.
What's your favorite thing to do?
My favorite thing to do is play Valorant.
And what do you do?
I'm playing Valorant.
Oh, yay! And what's your favorite food?
Beef caldereta.
What?
What's your favorite thing to do?
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite things to do is paiyakin si Eliana.
Bakit ako?
Bakit ako? Next question, please. Next
What?
question.
What's your favorite food?
Ginataang Eliana.
Ay, bakit ako?
Bakit ako? Next, si Tito Buni. Tito Buni. Tito Buni.
Masarap yung ginatangin na Tito Buni. Punta kay Tito Buni. Dali.
Tito Buni.
Tito Buni. Ayan, good. Lapit ka roon.
Tito Buni. Hindi na pang mamaya.
Part 2 na ako.
Tito Buni, what's your favorite thing to do?
To tissue.
And another question.
And what's your favorite food?
Jay, pahingan tubig ka na.
What do you want?
What's your favorite food?
What is your favorite?
You!
No, same with you, huh? Same as your favorite, no?
You!
I only like water.
Water?
Yeah.
Oh, moment, Tito Buni.
Tito Buni. Oh, ask Kuya Tanda naman. Sila naman.
Ito, ano to? Feature mo sa vlog mo. I-vlog mo to.
Explain yung lahat ng part.
Madaling ano.
Explain each part.
Dissect mo each ingredients. Explain mo.
Here, look at this halo halo.
Ayusin natin to. Ayusin natin yung pagkakalagay. Ayusin natin.
Halo halo.
Okay.
Okay.
Halo halo yan. Yan. Yan halo halo.
That's called what?
Halo halo.
The bottom.
Then there's a lot.
Halo.
There's a lot. And
Suka. Oh, pwede na.
hinta ko lang yung walang halo-halo.
Walang iwalang iwalang. Sabay-sabay lang. May contest.
When you want in the front, just click this one, middle, double tap. Like this. And it will go automatically.
May kulang?
Okay, go there na. On the other side.
To the other side na daw.
What are you doing?
Papa na daw.
Just opening.
Dadya.
Pwede daw. Happy!
Good ka na.
Ba't ang lungkot naman ang happy birthday niyo naman? Ang lungkot naman yan.
Hindi malungkot, wala ka ng lakas.
Okay. There's a lot of us.
Eliana,
Oh,
you
how
go there and
many?
eat your halo-halo. Look, everybody's eating the halo-halo now.
3, 4, 5,
Liana,
16. There's 16
everybody's
of
having their
us.
halo-halo now except you.
Para kay mami.
There's
Their
16
halo-halo na.
of us. There's really 16.
Put it in front of you. Then you mukbang your halo-halo.
Yeah, like that. Get your halo-halo.
Like
Record
this.
yourself
Like
eating.
this. Yeah, like this. Then you put it right in front of yourself. Then
Punta doon, dali.
make your halo.
Dali, punta
You
doon.
record yourself eating halo-halo.
Dali. Ay, why did you use that as your tissue? That's not a tissue.
Asan nga?
This is the t-shirt. Wipe it.
Patago namin.
Tingnan ang tissue.
Kaya nga tinatanong, kaya nga sinasabi namin.
Tingnan ang tissue natin.
Kaya,
Okay.
Bubble tissue.
ano sabi niya?
And
Bakit ang
Sabi
sabi?
namin. Sabi, ano daw, 15 daw inabot.
Complete inabot. Bilangin niya. Diba?
Saan namin lalagay yung halo-halo?
Bilangin niya.
So, yung
Tama rin sila ng bilang.
bilang sila. Oo.
Ito rin nga naman talaga.
really.
Pio.
Hoy, kumain ka na doon.
Hindi naman, nire-reconfirm. Pwede naman sabihin, bilangin mo. Magkano ng binigay mo.
Hinihinyak na nga nila. Hindi lang na nila. Umalis siya. Bumalik ko sabi, 15 na raw po yung binigay sa inyo.
You don't
Tapos
leave
yung
me.
pay na pagkakasabi niya, parang nang-accuse na tinapos.
Parang nagbibintang pa.
Parang bibintang. Parang bibintang.
Okay, I don't know what to
Why?
say. I don't know how to.
Baka mamaya, dalawa yung take ng order. Dalawa yung nag-take ng order.
Dito ba na yun?
Baka sinasabi niya, uy, yan ang nabigay. Baka may pakapasa pa.
Pwede, oo.
Eliana, po kay Eliana.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi again.
Yung halo-halo
Uy,
is
your head, your head.
What?
very sweet.
And what? And what else?
It's really good. You should try it.
But I have none.
Ano sa mami mo?
Andun sa mami mo.
Mommy didn't order me some halo-halo.
They did. Dali, punta ka doon. Dali mo yan, dali.
Kuya Tantan, it's looking at you.
Sige na, dali mo na lang yan dun.
Kuya Tantan, it's looking at you. Kuya Tantan, it's looking at you.
Hello, look at my halo-halo. It was already mixed, that's why it's different color.
Tito Bonnie,
Oh,
it's looking at you. Ah. Ah.
Tawag ka yung madali, oh.
Ayun, Mom, it's looking
Madali
at
po
you.
tawag mo, eh.
Taste the halo-halo
Tawag tayo
here.
daddy.
It's good, but it's good.
You should also vlog too.
Oh. Up.
This one's not mine.
Just try some.
And it's to me.
Ayun yung sa'yo, kinakain niya, ano,
Punta ka dun, dali. Punta ka
ni
dun.
mami mo.
May ano.
May hindi yun sa
No, you have
akin.
your
Kay
own there.
mami yun.
Yeah, you have to wait. You wait for your halo-halo there with mommy. You don't have to be here. You bring that one there. Dali. Bili mo yun dun.
And we're going
Ayun na,
to
oh.
vlog.
Ba't yung mami? Bakit?
talagang kulang na.
It's pointing at two of you.
Sana kung pwede lusa.
Tawag ka doon, oh. Tawag ka ni Mami. Si Mami, nantay ka doon. Pumunta ka doon, dali.
Kainis pa yung balik din. Hindi niya yung binilang ulit eh. Kaso maris na lang siya.
Tita Nini is looking at you. He's looking at you. What are you gonna say?
Look at my video, okay. Eliana will go to his mommy. Go to her mommy because her mommy is calling Eliana. For to eat na ng halo.
Mamaya na, akin na.
Ayan, patay na.
Later.
Later na
How
lang.
to off it?